Well, we're doing worksheet 4A, and so the first question says, decide whether it makes sense. Explain your reasoning. Paul has about $2,200 available for all his personal expenses combined. He figures that he can easily afford to pay $1,100 in rent, and that doesn't make sense. The rule of thumb is that you should budget 1/3 of your income for rent. And if you look at page 202, example 5, it goes into that. So, 1/3 for your rent, no more. Number 2, find the monthly interest payments in the situation described. Assume that monthly interest rates are 1/12 of the annual rate. So, the annual rate is 15% or 0.15. We divide that by 12, so that's the monthly rate times the balance, and we get $7.50, which is selection C. Now for the next one, 3, Linda enrolls for 10 credit hours for each of 2 semesters at a cost of $500 per credit hour. In addition, textbooks cost $300 per semester, so we have to find the monthly cost. Okay, so the credit hours, 10 credit hours and $500 per credit hours, they divide out. And this is for 6 months, 1/6. And so we've got 10 times 500 is going to be 5,000 divided by 6. And we're going to add that to $300 divided by 6 months. And we get a value of $883 per month. And that's D, selection D. So now let's go on to 4. And for 4, the expense and income of an individual are given. Find the net monthly cash flow. And 4 weeks equates to 1 month. And in a year there's 12 months. Okay, so anyhow, the income, I broke it up in terms of income and expenses. So $1,100 a month they make out of a part-time job. A student loan is $6,000 per year. Divide 6,000 by 12, we get $500 per month. A scholarship is $5,800 a year. Divide that by 12 and we get $483.33, but I rounded to the nearest dollar. The expenses are rent at $640 a month. Groceries, $80 a week, so 4 times 80 is $320 a week. Tuition and fees is $4,200 twice a year, so I divided that by 6. And so I get $700 per month. And then monthly entertainment is $190. Now when I add these up, I get $1,850, the expenses. Add the income up, we get $2,083. And the difference between those two is $233, and that's B. So for number 5, the question is a single 31-year-old man with a monthly salary of $3,100 spends $1,020 on rent. And so that's about 1/3 of his income on rent. So we circled B, average. Determine whether the spending pattern is at or above or below the national average. It's at the average, so B, average. Good.